Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. In other stories, Gweru fugitive Peter Dube has been sentenced to 2 life imprisonment terms plus an additional 20 years by the High Court in Bulawayo for 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of attempted murder. Justice Munamato Mutevedzi handed down the sentence on Thursday, following Dube's conviction on 14 November. The court held that Dube shot and killed Shelton Chiduku and Gamuchirai Madungwe in April 2021. He also shot his wife Nyasha and his sister Nyarazo Naringo, who both survived the attack. After the shootings, Dube fled the country and was later arrested in Ireland in June 2023 before being extradited. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.